The Bulletproof Designs Pro Footpegs give you a performance advantage over the competition, allowing you to lean back on the bike and feel more in control. The Pro Pegs also provide safety and support, helping to prevent ankle injuries. The Pro Pegs are designed from 7075 billet aluminum and anodized laser etched with our logo. The Bulletproof Designs Adventure Footpegs are made out of 6061 billet aluminum. Wider and longer, these footpegs allow for more comfort for longer rides, as well as more control on off-road terrain. The adjustable set screws on the footbed allows for more or less grip. Our Bulletproof Designs footpegs machined out of billet 7075 aluminum are a great upgrade from the stock footpegs that come with your bike. Wider than stock, sharp stainless steel pins and wide grooves allow minimal mud buildup, excellent boot grip, and a clean, great looking design. Our footpegs come with spare footbed pins and stainless steel peg pivot springs.